This is what I cooked today. Benachin Yokhoss. Yokhoss means oyster. Jollof rice with oyster and smoked catfish, smoked sea bass. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm cooking Benachin Yokhoss. Yokhoss is known as oyster in English. We are with smoked catfish and smoked sea bass. Now I'll show you my ingredients. On this plate here, I have smoked catfish, bay leaves, cabbage. On this plate here, I have Scotch bonnet pepper, carrot. On this plate here, I have smoked sea bass, smoked oyster sauce. In Gambia, we call it Yokhoss. On this plate, you have spring onion, brown onion, garlic, sunflower oil, jumbo cube, sea salt, ground black pepper, tomato paste, and here I have my basmati rice. I'll soak it. I'm going to soak it for about 1 hour before I cook it. Now I'm going to fry the sea bass, the smoked sea bass, just to give a little bit of color. Now I'm going to put my chopped vegetables with bay leaves. Then I'll stir it. Now I'm going to add my tomato puree, tomato paste. I mix it together by stirring. Now I'll do this process for about, let's say 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes. Now I'm going to add my seasoning. First I'm going to put ground black pepper. Then I'll add my natural sea salt, but you can use any salt you want. Then add my jumbo cube, or you can use magic cubes. After doing that all, I have to mix it, stir it to mix. Leave it for about maybe a minute and a half or 2 minutes. Then I'll add my water. Then put my cabbage and carrot. This is how you cook jollof rice. When you put your chopped vegetables and tomato puree, fresh tomatoes, and all seasoning, you stir it up to about 1 hour, sometimes 2 hours. You see the color change to dark brown. Then when you see that, you can add your water and add all your either fish or meat or chicken and leave it to cook before you put your rice. Now I'm going to add my water now. Now I'm going to add water. The water is about 5 cups. 5 cups of water. The same cup I use for rice. I'll show you the cup. This is the cup I use for rice. Rice is about 6 cups, but now water I put 5 cups because I don't want my rice to be wet. Now I'm gonna add my carrot and the cabbage. Followed by the cabbage. Then I'll put the fish and the oyster last, because the fish and the oyster is almost cooked. Now I'll leave it to boil and cook. Now I'm going to add my smoked sea bass, followed by the smoked catfish. Now I'll add the catfish. Then add my oyster. So I'm gonna leave it for about, let's say, 5 minutes. Then take out the catfish and the smoked sea bass before I add my rice. I'm gonna cook the rice with the oyster together. Then I'll throw in my Scotch bonnet peppers. Then cover it for about 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add my rice. Then mix it together. After mixing, I'll put it in a low heat, leave it to cook. You can see the oysters. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share the video with your friends and families. And please do not forget to click on the notification bell, so if I upload a new video, you'll be notified. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.